guys, it's Kristin with APO Creations, and this is going to be my part 2. So the mail finally showed up. I think there was just such a huge influx of mail during the holidays that it slowed everything down, in addition to all of the storms that they had in Chicago. So yeah, so it is what it is, but it finally got here, and no, I don't know what I just did with my others. Oh, here it is. So now I'm going to be doing this tree. Now it came, and you could probably see from the bottom, it came green, but I decided that because, you know, Christmas is over, and so instead I wanted to do a winter theme. And so I painted the tree in white, and then I dyed the crushed glass and the stones with the octopus ink lagoon that I got from Laura at Laura's Art Corner. And then I have some other blue stones, some blush, oh my God, words are hard. Some more blue crushed glass that I got when I was in Germany. Then I have some from my leftover in the forest green. And then I decided to use the berry just for some accent here and there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start by putting a little bit of UV resin on my tree. And then I'm just going to start placing the crushed glass and the stones onto the tree itself. And I will use my Resiners lamp to cure it. The UV that I'm going to start off with is the Bond Crafter hard type. Hang on, I'm going to wipe it off. I don't know, I got these gloves from somewhere. Not sure where. One of the kits I got, I think.
The coffee's brewing and the sun is peeking through. I've got a blank canvas and a vision that's brand new. From the shimmer of the glitter to the texture of the clay, there's a million different stories we can fabricate today. Grab the scissors, grab the glue, clear a space upon the floor. Once we start the project, we'll be coming back for more. We're building, we're dreaming, we're making it real, with a spark of inspiration and a heart made of steel. From the first little cut to the final design, we're leaving all the ordinary far behind. Handmade with passion, a brand new foundation. Welcome to the lab of APO Creations. Vinyl on the cutter, thread inside the machine. The messiest workbench that you've ever seen. Is it resin, is it wood, is it paint on the brush? We take our sweet time, yeah, there's no need to rush. Turning trash into treasure with a little bit of flair. If you can't imagine it, we'll take you there. Let's talk about the details, the grit and the grime. Sanding down the edges just one more time. The smell of the cedar, the pop of the torch. A wreath for the season to hang on the porch. We're mixing the pigments and pouring the mold, turning the silver and shaping the gold. From scrapbooks of memories to hardware and steel, we're capturing every emotion we feel. Measure twice, cut once, maybe 3 times or 4. Then we head to the craft shop to buy a little more. It's a thumbprint, a smudge, and a soul in the art. The best kind of magic comes straight from the heart. It's not about perfection, it's the joy in the mess. Putting all our worries and our doubts to the rest. But it's more than the fabric, it's more than the twine. It's the way that our creative spirits entwine, sharing the secrets and the tips of the trade. Proud of the progress that everyone's made, from the hobbyist home to the master station. We're fueling the fire of a whole generation. We're building, we're dreaming, we're making it real, with a spark of inspiration and a heart made of steel. From the first little cut to the final design, we're leaving all the ordinary far behind. Handmade with passion, a brand new foundation. Welcome to the lab of APO Creations. We're building, we're dreaming, we're making it real, Creations. The glue is drying, the colors are set. That was the best project we've tackled yet. Keep on making, keep on chasing the light. APO Creations, we're doing it right. Yeah, we're doing it right.
Sun hits the workshop, coffee in my hand, got a vision in my head, the best in the land. I pull the resin bottles, yeah, I'm ready to pour. Clear as a diamond, but I'm adding some more. A dash of the mica, let the colors ignite, turning plain little liquids into pure delight. Oh, it's APO Creations, we're making the magic to live a life without art. Well, that would be tragic with the glitter in the air and the stickers in a pile. I'm making everyday things that'll make you smile. Yeah, I'm making a mess, but I'm doing it right. Crafting my heart out from morning till night. Got a tumbler on a turner spinning round and round, adding layers of sparkle, the best to be found. Then I'm pouring the candle scent, filling the room, lighting up the shadows, chasing out the gloom. From the wood to the wax and the vinyl and glue. If you can dream it up, I can make it for you. My hands are stained blue and the shimmer on the floor. I clean up one spot, then I mess up four more. But there's joy in the chaos, there's life in the bright. Every bubble, every cure is a beautiful sight. Oh, it's APO Creations, we're making the magic to live a life without art. Well, that would be tragic with the glitter in the air and the stickers in a pile. I'm making everyday things that'll make you smile. Yeah, I'm making a mess, but I'm doing it right. Crafting my heart out from morning till night. Yeah, got that APO glow, yeah, you already know. Let the glitter fall down like a neon snow. Daily mess, daily fun. Another masterpiece done. Oh, it's APO Creations, we're making the magic to live a life without art. Well, that would be tragic with the glitter in the air and the stickers in a pile. I'm making everyday things that'll make you smile. Yeah, I'm making a mess, but I'm doing it right. Crafting my heart out from morning till night.
Okay, so as you know from my last video, I really don't have a whole lot of stuff, you know, Christmas stuff. So what I decided to do, I'm going to attach all this stuff with the UV, Let's Resin UV bonding resin. So I made a little heart, or a heart. Oh my God, get you geometric shapes proper, Kristin. I made a little star. It's actually a very big star. And got it centered. Oops. So I got it there. And maybe not. Oops. Where is my... All right, once I get this kind of attached, I'm going to grab my UV, double-sided UV lamp. So these are the stars that I made with, give me a second, I'll go grab them. These little windows thingies. So they had a couple of different sizes. And so I made a bunch of bunch of different sizes. I also have these. I don't remember where I got them. So they're just little gems. I will take some glamour shots. And in the meantime, if you could do me a favor and like, subscribe, share the video. I'll put the YouTube QR code for the TV on the screen. I will also put the link, since this is part 2, I will put the link for the original collaboration with Laura. Be sure to check out that if you haven't already. And be sure to go over to the Crazy Glass Lady's YouTube and check out some of her creations. They are gorgeous. She's got such an incredible imagination for all things glass. So, as I said before, stay tuned for the glamour shots, and I'll see you guys for the next one. All right, take care. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.